Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone. This is Abu Ja'far. In today's class, I'm going to show you in this video. So I'm going to show you how you can create a logo for your business. Okay, this particular logo I'm going to teach you. It is some kind a ready-made, a ready-made type of logo. So all you just have to do is you just get a template and manipulate it to suit your need. So the very first thing you want to do is to search for templates. But the very first thing before that, do not forget that when you are designing, when you use 500 by 500 as the initial, or let me say recommended resolution for your logo design on Canva, that is the recommended resolution. But if you use 500 by 500, the resolution is going to be very low. Your design is going to be blurry when you download it. When you are designing it, it is going to be like, it's going to be okay, like you are going to be seeing it like as if it's okay. But when you download it, after downloading it, it's going to be blurry and you are not going to like it. So I always recommend you increase the resolution. You can use 2000 by 2000, you can use 3000 by 3000, 4000 by 4000, and so on. Okay, so as for me, I use 4000 by 4000. Now the very first thing you want to do when getting to this page is to do what? To search for templates. So where do you search for templates? You click on this plus icon. So click on it, and here is design. So you want to search for the design that are made, they are ready made for your particular niche. Let me say for example, now you want to design for, let's say, a car dealership business, okay, a car marketing company, okay, or you want to design for an estate company or a fashion design company, and so on and so forth. So if you want to design the logo now, so how do you go about it? For example, let me show you the easiest way. Okay, so click on tap on the search template bar. On the search bar, now you search, for example, now let me say car let me just type car logos. Okay, car logo. Let's see what's gonna give. You can see this is how do I call it? This is a keyword. Okay, now you can see these are logo. You can see this is automotive, fast car, best car, and so on and so forth. So when you keep scrolling, you are going to see many of them. So what do you do when you see this? Just click on any one you want to choose. For example, now I want to choose this one, this particular one. So if I click on it, so it's going to appear on my design. So I want to apply it on my design on both pages. Let me click on both pages. Okay, now this is what we have. You can see, very neat. Now with this one, now you can start to edit it. So how do you edit this? It is very simple, as I have taught you in the previous videos. So just click on automobile to edit it. Just click on it and input your name or the name of your company. Okay, so you input the name of your company. This thing is somehow slow. So input the name of your company. You edit the automobile. Okay, you edit it to your name, to the name of the company. Okay, so let's say for example now, Top Gear. Okay, Top Gear Auto Agency. So I will just type in Top Gear Auto Agency, and that's all. And if you are not okay with the color, you can also change the color to any color you are pleased with. Just make sure that the color you are using, okay, is compatible with the background. When you are using a deep background, make sure the color you are using is light. Okay, make sure you are using a light background. Let's say for example now, you want to use black as background. Okay, let me quickly explain this. You want to use black as background. Now you now want to write text on it. You are now using deep green for on back on black, what do you call it, black background. You can see deep green. It is also becoming dark already. Okay, so it is not going to reflect well, unlike when you use white on black background. You can see it's going to, like, it will come out very well. You are going to see it very, anyone looking at it is going to see it very well without trying to strangle their eye before they can say anything. So those are the tips you need to understand. I don't know what's happening with Canva today, but anyway, so this is how you can do it. So you can search for, what do we call it, fashion design, and all other niches that you want to design for. So as for this one, I want you to design what I want to know how creative you are. So design a logo for your small business. Fine, you may have a logo before, you may be having a logo before, that is okay, but I want you to design one, and let's see how manipulative you can be when it comes to Canva. So do that and submit it in the group, and I'm going to hint you on if there is any error or any other mistake. So if you are liking, if you like what you're saying, or you like what I'm teaching, so the best way to appreciate is to subscribe, comment, like, and also share with your loved ones. Bye for now.